Hello everyone. Today we will be doing some advanced math questions and I will be teaching you some really good techniques on how to solve these. And okay, let's get started. And how do I send it? Oh my god, it's getting bigger and bigger. Yes, remove. Okay, so let's get into it. Now the first question says table shows three values of x and their corresponding values of y, where y is equal to fx plus 4. Okay. So now this thing, the y, it is fx plus 4. So if we need to find fx, it would be fx is equal to y minus 4. We are just going to create a table and we are going to input the same values and let the Desmos do it for us. Okay, now we are going to hit the calculator button. We have the table right here. Now we are going to put the values minus 8, 8 minus 8. Okay, and now for the fx, we know it's a quadratic function and it is equal to y1 minus 4. So yes, here are the values. Now we are going to put the regression and we know that we are doing it for y1 minus 4 and it's a quadratic regression. Please make sure that you are putting the right regression. Here is our function. Okay, now what it asked was the y-intercept of yfx. So it's simply this. If you are not satisfied yet, you can always see the graph as well. It will go down, down, down. Oh, it's a really great value. The same type of question also came on the September SAT, by the way. So yes, here it is. Minus 211. Oh, my battery is down. Minus 2112. Yep, here we got it. Okay, guys, let's keep going. I am walking behind, Okay, guys, this question says the function f is defined by fx is equal to a under square root x plus b, where a and b are constants. In the xy plane, the graph y is equal to x passes through the points this, and f24 is lesser than 0. Okay. Which of the following must be true? Okay, there are specific ways you could do this question. You could simply put the x value over here and y value over here, and it will help you solve the question. But we can also use the process of elimination over here. Okay, we see here that if we put 0 over here, it can never be 24. Never. Mhm. Okay, let's do it the stupid way, by the way. Just gonna put the calculator table. Okay, we know it's to the point minus 24 and 0. And what we are gonna do is y1 integration a sqrt x1 plus b. Okay, we have this value. And also we know that putting 24 is lesser than 0. So lesser than 0 might be minus 2. It could be minus 4. It could be minus 5. Okay, now you have to see the thing is that the value of b, it remains the same no matter what. 6, 8, 9, only the value of a is changing. So we know this. So we know that f0 is not is equal to 24. No, f0 is not equal to minus 24 either. And we also know that a is not greater than b because it simply says that. So no, it's gonna be d, guys. I haven't done this question before, but these things make sense. Yep. By the way, these all questions are level 7 and level 6 difficulty. We aren't doing some baby questions. So they are pretty difficult questions, and if you have a good concept of these, you will be doing good on the side. Okay, let's move. Here's another hard question. The function h is defined by this, where a and b are positive constants. We need to remember these things, guys. Okay, I remove all this thing so that we can solve here. I hope we don't need to write it. The function h is defined by this, the graph y the relation in xy passes to the point 0 and 10. What is the value of AB? Okay, now same thing. We are gonna put the table over here, table, and we know the points 0, 10, minus 2, and 3 to 5 over 36. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, we know that y1 is equal to regression a power x1 plus b. Okay, we have the values here a 9, and now we are just gonna multiply them because it asks for a into b. It's simply a into b, guys, and we have our value 54. Now we did it in within a minute. If I were to explain you, I could have done it within 50 seconds, and it's a